Hello friends, my name is Mahesh Deshmukh and I am the founder of Genius Learning Academy. I am on mission to help IT professionals to transform their career by mastering learning skills, which is very important and critical. I spent almost 20 years in IT industry working across the geography. My main role was consultant, that is business analyst. Today I am going to share with you a very exciting and very interesting part of my role, that is the qualities of mindset that will make business analyst very successful in his or her role. Before we start, let me give you the context. What is the role of business analyst? Business analyst is the front facing camera of entire team. He is representing brand of the company. He is representing quality of the company. So that is why it is very critical for him to represent with more care and responsibility. This is one role, one part of the role. Second part of the role, he is also playing a bridge between customer and the development team. This is also very important role because he is having a background of domain. He can speak the language of customer. He can understand the pinpoints, challenges and expectation of the customer, which makes or breaks the software or solution which is going to be provided by the development team. Once he understands, he can come up with unique solution to the problem and pass it on to the development team to come up with the technical part of it. Now this is also very crucial. And last part, once development is done, he is also making sure that whatever has been developed and delivered to the client is up to the mark and up to the expectation of the client. This is very critical. Now, if we look at these three roles, then what are the main qualities of business analyst to achieve success in this critical part of the role so that he will enjoying the success, not only his success but team will also be successful. Now let's start with the first quality. First quality is to listen. Now I am going to take you through the qualities which are not considered as a skill or which are not given any attention consciously by your formal education or informal education. My entire focus will be to bring out the qualities or skills which are neglected in entire life of your education. So let's start with the listening. Listening is very critical, but I don't think everyone or anyone has gone through a formal education how to listen. Now this is very critical in terms of not understanding at a surface level what words or phrases used by the client, but it is also important what is the underlying problem, underlying situation, what is the root cause, and that makes this listening quality very critical. And there are tools and techniques and process to develop this listening skill. Once you start mastering this listening skill, you will be on your road. Second quality, once you get the understanding of requirement, second quality will definitely to analyze it. Analyze it in terms of various perspective. You have to develop that perspective of end customer, of decision maker, of developer. And once you start understanding different perspective, you will come with the holistic solution for the problem or the requirement. Now, this also will require the third quality. Third quality is creativity. You have to be very unique in providing a solution. Otherwise, you will be just creating whatever is said. You will not be able to address the actual problem or actual situation. That is why Once you understand all the perspective of the problem or situation or the requirement, it will be possible for you to be a very creative and come up with a very simple and unique solution so that everyone will get benefit of it. Now this creativity, why this creativity will be there? Again, if you go down, drill down to the next quality is curiosity. If you are not curious, if you are not engaged, if you are not excited, then what will happen? You will just take your responsibility or your role as a just part of doing it. But if you have childlike curiosity, if you have very much excited about, if you are very much excited about the project and providing the solution, then nothing likes it. So this curiosity also plays very important role. And for that, what you will require, the most important and most critical quality that you have to develop, that is learning. Curiosity is there, creativity is there, analysis is there, and listening is there. But if you are not learning, if you are not changing, if you are not understanding, if you are not applying, and if you are not mastering all these things, then it will not create the impact. So learning is the foundation of all the qualities, all the skills, whatever you are going to do it. Now, if you ask me, from first standard to the 12th standard, we learn many subjects. From 12th to the graduation, again we have learned many subjects. If we are going to repeat one particular activity year on year basis, we should be master in it, right? But it is not the reality. Why? Because we are not consciously taking action on mastering learning skill. And that is also, I face my problem. That was also my problem. When I used to learn new concept, new domains, new process, I used to face lots of challenge. And while going through it, I developed various methodologies and I use various techniques to master learning skill. Today, this learning skill will make you very successful if you provide conscious attention and use various tools and techniques which are going to leverage this particular quality. So all in all, if you have the proper qualities in place, then the benefits will be immense. You will satisfy your customers' expectation. You will be able to match all the requirements which are given by customer and provide the quality delivery. And it will not only make you successful, but it will make your project very successful. My friend, that is why all the qualities we must develop, learn, master, and practice. If you want to learn more, please join our VIP group of Genius Learner Mastermind. Link is given below there. Please join and start enjoying success in your life. See you there.